I went to the story opening of Mecca Carousel today. This is the box of goodies that I got from Spin the Wheel, and this is my haul. I'll go through the haul first. So what I bought, and actually they threw in an extra gift in my purchase as well. So this is how it looks like. So the first thing that I bought is the Frank Body Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and it's quite cheap as well, so I picked one up. The next purchase is Frank Body Collagen Boost Serum. They didn't have it on the shelf, so I had to ask for it, and they brought it from the bag. This is a good one as well. I attended a Dr. Arts beauty lab workshop, and I got a free gift. Look for my other video on that. So I have a lot of breakout at the moment, so I thought I'll give this a try for now. This is the Soothing Spot Treatment. So it has got, when you open it, it has, oh, it's a great one. So when you open it, you see there's this big. So yeah, I really enjoyed my time at Mecca today. It was amazing to just go see the ride at the opening weekend. All the samples were fully, dust free, and all the bottles on the samples were like full, and you can just, yeah, it was a vibe. All right, subscribe to my channel, connect with me, comment below, and let me know what you want to see next. Bye.